Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to change the default search engine used in the address bar in the Opera web browser. So without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up the Opera browser, and then dito sa top left corner, and then select mo lang dito yung Opera logo. And then next ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung settings. And then dito sa settings, scroll down at hanapin natin dito yung search engine. Okay, so scroll lang tayo and then ito na siya. So search engine used in the address bar kung paano ba natin ito i-change ang default search engine. So dito lang sa right side, makita mo dito yung arrow na to and then click mo lang yan. At makikita mo kaagad dito yung mga pwede nating i-select na default search engine. Okay, so mayroon ditong Google search, Yahoo, DuckDuckGo, Amazon, Bing, and Wikipedia. Okay, so select ka lang dito. Right, so for example, select lang natin tong Yahoo. Ayan. So, kung gusto mong palitan ulit, click mo lang tong arrow to and then select ka lang dito. Okay, so ganun lang po kasimple kung paano natin i-change ang default search engine in Opera browser. Okay, so please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.